bearers, we have Zach Noel and Becker Rohan. Music, maestro. Okay, ada standby, no? So, atong witness ang ilang TikTok entry. Papaksa mo. Okay, music, maestro.
Thank you for ice cream service. My delicious strawberry. Ice cream guy.
Yay! What about you want to come on,
Ice cream guy.
Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. And now this time, ladies and gentlemen, dili magpapatalo ang ato ang mga flower girls. We have Kazine, Sophia, and Kelly Zaya together with our little girl and little bride. Of course, the supportive parents of these very cute little girls and little boy. Okay, stand by. Stand by. Of course, music, maestro. Game start. Hindi magpapatalo ang groomsmen at ang bridesmaid natin. Hindi na ito pag-ilagayan. Let's start with Mr. DJ and Miss Andrea. Geronimo. And now, ladies and gentlemen, music maestro. Kisa ko na kinapusdan hatag sayang kadawat sila ang chikas. Okay. Thank you so much. Let's proceed to Mr. Joshua and Miss Eliza. Music. Music. Maestro. Attention. Come on. Ay, kaguapa. Come on. Yay! Come on! Yay! Come on, SK! 50%. Let's move on to Mr. Janelle and Miss Vanessa. Okay! Sir, wait, sir. Okay, ready ka? Wala na yung hangover? Wala na yung hangover. Okay, music! Maestro! Oh, di ba? Yay! Oh, come on, sir! Come on! Yay! Yay! Tadi si Sir Bola nanginanglan jadi vitamins. Kaway energy. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have Mr. Melvin and Miss Jaya. Music! Okay, and now, ladies and gentlemen, we have Mr. Lord and Miss Aloha. Yay, ka na! On dyan na! On dyan na! On dyan na! Oh, with choreography. 100% choreography. Kaya lagi naman sila. Music, maestro!
Guys, sayo, kikay.
La 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 la. Gusto lang sa'yo, sir. Kikay, sayo, kikay. La 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 la. Sayo, kikay. Sayo, kikay. Oh, diba? Oh, oh, diba? Yay! Oh, may energy. Ay, kikay. Ay, uy! You know, good is the Lord. Wow! silang karon. Okay. O karon mga kaigsuonan, dili po magpalupig ato ang one of the group's celebrants. We have Mr. Clark and Miss Zoe. Ika pa rin siya exact si PI. Oh, ready na ba mo? Ready na? Ready na, music, maestro. Sinayawan o taga-PMI. Naghan kayong salamat, sir. Anita rin, no? Huwag karon mga kaigsunan, dili ko magpalupig ang ato ang best man and maid of honor. We have Mr. RJ and Miss Daisy. Music! Orang buat na keras, oh? Gikat? Gusto kayo sayaw? Oh, di ba? Oh, yay! Oh, di ba? Diba magulis? Oh, hindi, na-plastic, di ko na po hindi, o hindi siya po sayaw, ato sa pagpakan. Pagpakan sa ato. Magandang right dancer. Asa ba dance si Malaran? Nina Iso. Music, maestro. Oh, di ba? And now, ladies and gentlemen, atong tagaan masigatong palakpak ang atong igsoon sa atuan bride. We have our matron of honor. We have Mrs. NNC. Music. Ay, pakit-cute niya. Dali na! Joke-joke na to, guys, ha? Pressure yun naman siya. Gina, ako sa tagaan masigatong papa. Guys, dali si Gina. Pawang-uwaw na rin pakit-cute intimanin. Usayaw na akong tinoon. Papakisa ninyo, papakisa. Okay. Shella, di ba? Shella. I stand corrected. Shella. That's the lady mo. Exoan ni. Okay, ato ang beautiful bride. Come on! Wow! Don't you worry. Tick-tack, tick-tack. Di ba gusto kayo mga apatid? Okay, papaksan mo eh. Our newly married couple. And today, November 9, 2024, calls for a grand celebration. And it is our distinct pleasure to introduce to you for the very first time as husband and wife. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to request everyone to please stand. And of course, please utilize your table napkins. No? But nasa inyong mga table, mga principal sponsors, kinahanglan mag-ipag magsadya because this is once in a lifetime experience to our beloved couple. But before that, ladies and gentlemen, let me hear the scream from Team Malaran! Team Daiso! Malaran! Daiso! Hindi mo tutupirin na pita ba? Team Asay! But anyways, guys, enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome our newly married couple. We have Mr. and Mrs. John Ray Malaran. Music. Come on. Yay, let's maximize our table napkins. Come on. Come on! Come on! With you, music stop! And I'm really sure na excited kayo mo tanan. But before that, nga musaya ato ang lovely couple. Of course, let me hear a short message coming from our lovely couple nga nakita dyan nila nga niya iyang presensya o suporta karong adlaw. Ma'am, sa atong ikastorya, short message lang ta.
Mayong gabi sa tanan. Daghang salamat sa pagtambong sa among special day. Sa tanan namong mga family, relatives, pati na sa mga kapamilya ni John Ray. Daghang salamat.
Of course, dapat po kayo salamat ko naman kasi sigurado dinigil sila magluman, no? Sir, nagpanikard kayo one of the principal sponsors kaya nalibog sila, wa sila kadungog sa ingon ni Padre. Pila man dyan kabata inyo, gamon unyang gabi.
Gawin siya. Duha ka mo kaya...
Diba, principal sponsor, duha. Okay, duha na yan. Gamon, dumanon ba ang duha? Unya, kambal?
Dungan kayo nang kaliwat kambal.
Maghila ang hill tayo, guys. And now, are you ready for their TikTok entry, ladies and gentlemen? Ready na ba? Hep, hep! Hooray! Diba? Buto-buto po na ginagmay ko na. Diba? In 3, 2, 1, music! 1, 2, 3, wow! Come on! Oh, diba? Natulala kayo! Diba? Grabe, natulala. Gusto mo one more time? One more time? One more time. Wala kayong magagawa, couple. Music! Maestro! 1, 2, 3, oh, papasan mo! Yay! Yay! Papasan mo! Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, after this, mag-early dinner ta. But before, Ana, mas dance at akadali. Okay na ba? Gamay na, 3 minutes. Okay? I'd like to request na ato ang groomsmen bridesmaid ang itadere. Ito nga, ang dili ko ng musayaw, dili ko ng kakaon. Ha? O na, magtanawin kung kinsa ang kinamusgan ng mamusayaw kay makadawat o Gcash. Gcash. Okay, we will select who's the most hataw guests and visitors na kusong masayaw, they will receive Gcash. Okay, 1,000 Gcash. Okay, oh, clap. And thank you so